Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. If this is your first time, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. Please, before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit your ring bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Yes, you can hear it from my voice. I'm a little bit sick, but I have some downtime, quiet, the baby is sleeping. So I was like, you know what, let me just upload this. Even if I can't talk throughout the video, at least I will tell you guys what you need to know. The easiest way to make red stew, like you don't have to worry about, no stress. As you can see, I made it in this pot. Yes, my pressure cooker. So one thing I would say for sure is that you just have to fry it like 2 times. So after the first time, I come back, I open it, I make sure it's not burning or anything like that, and then I went ahead and covered it again, and I pressed stew again. So that's pretty much all. And then the video is very simple to follow. I use about 5 red bell pepper, and then about 8 tomatoes, and then some garlic. I always have garlic ready to go. I always blend my garlic and have it in the fridge. So maybe I would say about 5 garlic, and then I like to use the hunt, the tomato paste, and then also some hot pepper, also paste. I like to add that. As you can see from there, also onion. I have 2 onions. I love using onions a lot of onions, I mean, my red stew. So pretty much that's it. I'll go ahead and wash everything, and then we will get started, guys. So please try to watch the video all the way so you can see how I come out with my red stew. Also, I use habanero, a taruhu. I added about 2. If you would like your red stew to be more spicy, feel free to add. Alright guys, thank you so much again. Don't forget to subscribe, and please like the video, comment, and share with your family and friends. Thank you.